You're suffering from tinnitus and you want to get rid of that pestering ringing in your ear. Allow yourself to be surprised. I'm going to show you 2 exercises that offer you a good chance to say goodbye to your tinnitus. Let me start by explaining what we think the reasons are. You have to know that your inner ear, where the sound waves reaching it are converted into impulses that your brain interprets as voices, music, and such, that this inner ear is located very close to your mandibular joint, and the moment the muscles in that area are tight, exert too much pressure, it can be that these tensions trigger this ringing, the tinnitus. One thing is certain, that your tinnitus is connected to your diet. So, if you eat things that thicken your fluids, your blood flow, and your entire metabolism will be compromised, leading to tinnitus. And that means even if you do the exercises I'm going to show you today, you should also eat clean, cutting down on animal products and dairy products. And then eat like this for as long as it takes, as kind of a test period maybe, for your tinnitus to be mitigated or even disappear. Always in connection with doing these 2 exercises. Ina's going to show you the first exercise, which means I'm going to guide her, and she is demonstrating. Be great if you could join us right away. Please sit absolutely straight, your back is straight, and turn your head 45 degrees to the left. Now, this is an exercise many of you know already, but we're expanding it now. Pull your left shoulder down. Reach with your right hand across your head and land slightly on the back of it. Tuck your chin in and pull your head down and to the right. Hold your head more in the back so that the pull you exert on your head keeps it in this position so it won't turn back. Because that might happen. And then you stretch for half a minute in this angle. After 30 seconds, you release slightly and then pull, not directly towards your right knee, but slightly to the right and diagonally, a little bit more in the back. The final position is guided by the stretch you feel. Again, for 30 seconds. And then you move straight to the side. You might even reposition your hand because you need to turn your head now. And pull to the side so the stretch runs along here. You could feel it going up to your ear. So in very close proximity to your inner ear, where you want the stretch to do its work. Again, for 30 seconds, then release a little bit again, and then you pull your head slightly backwards, reposition your hand if needed, and then you move the stretch more along this line. Also reaching your ear, you could feel it, right? Again, for 30 seconds. So that in these 4 phases, you move from the front to halfway between front and side, to only the side, and to halfway between the side and the back 4 times, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, then slowly leave the position and switch sides. Turn your head to the right. Pull your right shoulder down. Now reach with your left hand across your head, tuck your chin in, and pull forward, down, and to the left. At a 45-degree angle to the left and forward, and now the stretch runs up behind your ear, with most people at least, but it always depends. This is where the pull is felt, in most cases anyway. Hold it for 30 seconds, then release and go forward to the left at a 20-degree angle. And now the stretch has moved towards the ear where tinnitus typically starts. Again, for 30 seconds. Release a bit again. Reposition your hand more to the side of your head. Turn your head straight again and develop the stretch here on this side. Running right here, you could see the cord bulging all the way to the ear. Another 30 seconds. And now, the final round, release a bit again and move your head backwards to the left at a 20-degree angle. And now the stretch is very pronounced here, and as you could see, we've worked on the entire area here where the muscle and fascia run up to the lower end of the ear, passing the ear, connect to the fascia, reaching into the ear itself. This area here, we worked on it. That was our first exercise for your tinnitus. In our second exercise, it's about the muscles in the jaw. The masticating muscles mostly, that run up here to your temple, all around this area here. And these muscles have to be stretched just like the neck muscles we worked on in our first exercise. And for this purpose, take your right hand and create a right angle between your thumb and your index finger. Put your chin into this cradle and start the classic jaw exercise and pull your chin down. For 1 minute with increasing intensity, put your other hand on your forehead and push it back. Tilt your head back to prevent saliva from running out, or you can do the exercise in the shower. Elbow down so you can pull. And for 1 minute, you simply pull your jaw open. After a minute, you close your mouth a bit and then pull to the right and down. Down again, but a little to the right. That changes the pull in the area of your lower jaw and ear. Pull it open for 1 minute, then relax a bit and go again, but this time to the left. Move to the left and open downwards. Depending on where your tinnitus is, the effect will be more on the one or the other side. Do that again for 1 minute, and then release and leave the position. Remember, if you want to get rid of your tinnitus, it is key that you drink enough. Eat plenty of fresh produce, vegetables, fruits, salads, nuts, and sprouts, because these plant-based foods reduce the thickness of the fluids that circulate in your ear, and it helps the signals to be transmitted the way they're supposed to. Try these exercises. They are tailored to the tinnitus issue. Write us about your experiences. Other than that, more exercises can be found up there, and in case you haven't subscribed to our channel, it's high time now for you to do that. Ina, do you agree? Click here, and we'll see you next time.
Oh nee.